Hi all, welcome back to Christmas special episode of Weekend Vlogs. Hope everyone is safe and good. And today I've come with the two delicious dessert recipes. One is easiest tiramisu ever and a special carrot cake. Hope you enjoy watching this, and if you're watching my video for the first time, please subscribe my channel. So let's get into the video. Today I'm going to make this tiramisu with very less ingredients. For that we have to whip the whipping cream till it reaches stiff peaks. If required, you could add some vanilla essence. Right now I am not adding. After beating for 5 to 6 minutes, the stiff peaks have been formed. Into this mixture, cream cheese is added. Make sure the cream cheese is in room temperature. Usually in authentic recipes, mascarpone is added, but you can use cream cheese as well. Here for 2 cups of whipping cream, I have taken 1 cup of cream cheese. Just beat it for 2 to 3 minutes until it mixes well, and now add 1 cup of milk maid. Now we have to combine all these well. Do not beat too much because it may curdle. So make sure you're not beating too much. So the yummiest and the creamiest layer of the tiramisu is ready, and keep it aside or even in the refrigerator till we prepare the basic layer. Coffee dipped lady fingers are used for the base. Lady fingers are a sweet, pretty dry and finger-shaped sponge cookie or cake mainly used in this Italian desserts. You can replace this with a normal basic sponge cake, but in authentic recipe these biscuits are used. Into a bowl, take some coffee powder and add some hot water. Mix well and keep it aside. One at a time. Quickly dip each side of the lady finger into the coffee mixture. You don't want to oversaturate the lady finger with the liquid because then the lady fingers will taste soggy. Just a quick dip on each side. Arrange the dipped lady fingers into the baking pan to make one solid layer. If needed, cut some lady fingers to fill in any empty spaces. So, if you're looking for a delicious no bake dessert, then why not give this easy tiramisu a try? Do try and let me know what you think, and enjoy the festive season. I would repeatedly tell you that this is the easiest and the most delicious tiramisu recipe ever. It is an authentic Italian dessert which is rich and creamy but as light as air, made with the coffee dipped in ladyfinger biscuit with a smooth and creamy cheese filling and dusted with cocoa powder to finish it off. Perfect for any occasion and lightly sweetened. Now the base is ready. Now it's time to spread the creamy mixture on top of the ladyfinger biscuits. Spread slowly on top of it. This is absolutely easy and tasty dessert recipe to make your holiday merry and bright. Do try this out, and wishing you all a Merry Christmas. Now the last layer is adding the cocoa powder. You could sift or strain a dense layer of cocoa powder all over the top. Wipe the rim of the baking dish. Now you have to cover with plastic wrap or aluminum foil, then refrigerate it for 8 to 9 hours or up to 1 day. So the easiest and the delicious tiramisu is ready. So now let's move on to making a super delicious carrot cake, which is made on stove top, not in oven. For making on stove top, you would need a large pan with a lid, and we have to place a metallic rack inside to place the baking pan on top of it. For preheating, we have to keep it in low flame for 10 minutes before placing the batter. Moving on to the recipe, for that into a blender add the egg, sugar, oil, milk, salt, vanilla essence. You could add some cinnamon powder. Here I am not adding now because we don't like that taste, but definitely if you like the taste you could add. Finally adding some 2 tablespoons of finely grated carrot to get that flavor. Nicely grind well into a paste and keep it aside. Now in another bowl, sieve the maida, baking powder and the baking soda. All the exact measurements I'll be mentioned in the description box. Do check out. Now add the finely grated carrot into this. Into this add the wet ingredients and gently mix. Scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl and gently stirring until they disappear and the batter is smooth. Stir in the carrots. If you would like to add some nuts, raisin, you could add. Also make sure that the stove is on, that which is in the preheat mode. Transfer the batter into the baking pan which is already lined with parchment paper and tap for a while and keep inside and close the lid and cook for 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. Bake until the tops of the cake layers are springy when touched and when a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Now cool the cake completely and peel off the parchment paper. If you are not into frostings or if you don't have the ingredients on hand, try the cake as it is without any frosting at all. Since I have got leftover cream cheese filling which is made for the tiramisu recipe, I'm just spreading the cream cheese filling. I've already cut the cake into half and spreading in the middle and placing the other layer and again spreading the cream cheese filling. Anyway, you could decorate according to your wish. You could even scatter nuts on top. This filling won't be stiff enough like that of frosting, but once we set in the fridge or keep in the fridge for some time, it will set enough and taste really good. Keep it in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours and the cake is all set. The cake was amazing. It is absolutely moist and it works perfectly every single time. So do try out and thanks for watching.